To make your first $1,000 online is easier than you think. I'm Kuba. I'm a coach for TED Car and Contentpreneurs, a $1 million coaching program where we help people scale their businesses to 5K, 10K, 20K and plus per month, depending on where they're at. And we've helped several clients start thriving businesses and make good money monthly recurring. But we all have to start somewhere. So in this video, I want to break it down into 3 steps of how you can make your first $1,000 online, and it's easier than you think. I'll share the basics, and on the 3rd step, I'll give you the actual one main step that you have to do to get that $1,000 like that, and then you can make it again after. But let's start with the 1,000. So the first step, you're gonna have to give value online. You're gonna have to share yourself with content. Share content. You don't have to even share yourself physically, like showing yourself. You can make all types of content without even showing your face, or like this where you're talking to people. Millions of ways to make content, but you have to give some sort of value in a field that you specialize in, and something that you're passionate about, something that you have knowledge in that will help people get a certain result. So you want to help people lose weight, be healthy, make money, improve their relationships, get rid of some sort of pain. You want to help them get a specific end result. So share content that helps them achieve this end result. Show them how you've achieved it yourself, how you're helping others achieve it, even if it's just your mom or your friends. Now the second step, once you're sharing that value, is to give something out for free to people, like a free ebook, a free video, a free interview, a free resource, so they can build more trust with you. You share that with them, and once they have all this value from you, you'll be ready to move on to the 3rd step. Just popping in to let you know, if you want to travel the world and get paid while you do it, make sure to download my free ebook below. It's in the description. Now let's get back into the video. So this is a simple process. You're just putting out content. You're giving out something for free of value to build that trust. And now that people have this trust with you and they have that value from you, they'll want to be held by the hand by you. So this is the 3rd step, where you can introduce your coaching program, and literally you can sell it for $1,000. 3-month coaching program, weekly calls. Bam! You have $1,000. So it's super simple. So all you have to do is have conversations with these people who are following you, who are downloading your free stuff, and see how you can help them reach their goal. Invite them to join your coaching program for $1,000. You'll coach them for 3 months. And there you go. And then if you want to scale that, all you got to do is repeat that process. If you want to learn the exact steps to put this into practice, to have all the steps set up properly so that you can bring these people into your coaching program, check out the link below for my free ebook on how to make 5 to 10K a month. Much love.